Welcome to Digital Learning, Department of Collegiate Education. I am Shobha, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics. In this video, I am going to present BSc First Semester Mathematics Matrices. In that, we will be discussing about the applications of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The learning objectives are to apply Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find the inverse of a non-singular matrix, any positive integral power of a square matrix, and an adjoint of a matrix. From this session, the students will be able to apply Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find the inverse of a non-singular matrix, to find any positive integral power of a square matrix, and to find adjoint of a square matrix. Prerequisites are Cayley-Hamilton theorem, characteristic equation. Now let us take an example. Using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, for a given matrix, we are supposed to find A inverse. The given matrix A is 5, 4, 1 and 2. The characteristic equation of A is given by determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Hence, the determinant of 5 minus lambda 4, 1, 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. That would result in lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we have a square minus 7a plus 6i is equal to 0. That would imply 6i is equal to minus a square plus 7a. Now multiplying A inverse on both the sides, we get 6 into A inverse is equal to minus A plus 7i. Substitute the value for A and I. 6A inverse would be equal to minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2 plus 7 into 1001. That would imply 6A inverse is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 1, 5. Hence, A inverse is 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6, 5 by 6. Let us consider one more example. Using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we are supposed to find A inverse for a third order matrix. Let me consider the matrix A 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. The characteristic equation of A is given by determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Hence, the determinant of 1 minus lambda 0 2 0 2 minus lambda 1 2 0 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. That would imply minus lambda cube plus 6 lambda square minus 7 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. That would result in lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 7 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we have a cube minus 6a square plus 7a minus 2i is equal to 0. That is 2i is equal to minus a cube plus 6a square minus 7a. Multiplying A inverse on both the sides, we get 2A inverse is equal to minus A square plus 6A minus 7i. Let us now consider A square, which is A cross A. On substituting, we get 50824588013. We have 2 into A inverse is equal to minus A square plus 6A minus 7i. On substituting A square and A, we would be getting the answer 2A inverse is equal to minus 604 minus 21140 minus 2. Hence A inverse is equal to minus 302 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 20 minus 1. Let us consider one more example. Given the matrix A 0 0 1 3 1 0 minus 2 1 4, we are supposed to find A cube, A to the power 4 and A to the power minus 2 by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Let us find the solution. For the given matrix, the characteristic equation of A is given by determinant of A minus lambda I, which is equal to minus lambda 0 1 3 1 minus lambda 0 minus 2 1 4 minus lambda is equal to 0, resulting in lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 6 lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, A must satisfy its characteristic equation. that is a cube minus 5a square plus 6a minus 5y equals to 0. That is a cube is nothing but 5a square minus 6a plus 5y. Now let us consider a square which is equal to a cross a, resulting in the matrix minus 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 14. We can find a cube using a square. So a cube is equal to a square into a, which is resulting in the matrix minus 5, 5, 14, minus 3, 4, 15, minus 13, 19, 51. We have a cube is equal to 5a square minus 6a plus 5y. A to the power 4 can be found using a cube. A to the power 4 is equal to 5a cube minus 6a square plus 5a, which is equal to 5 times of replacing a cube 5a square minus 6a plus 5y minus 6a square plus 5a, which is equal to 25a square minus 30a plus 25i minus 6a square plus 5a. That would result in 19a square minus 25a plus 25i. Now let us find a to the power 4. On substituting a cube, a square and I, we would be getting a to the power 4 is equal to minus 13, 19, 51, minus 18, 19, 57, minus 45, 70, 199. We have a cube is equal to 5a square minus 6a plus 5i. Multiplying 1 by a inverse, we get a square is equal to 5a minus 6i plus 5a inverse. Now 5a inverse is equal to a square minus 5a plus 6i, or a inverse is equal to 1 by 5 into a square minus 5a plus 6i. Again multiplying 1 by a to the power minus 2, we get 5a to the power minus 2 is equal to a minus 5i plus 6a inverse. 5a to the power minus 2 is equal to a minus 5i plus 6 into 1 by 5 a square minus 5a plus 6i on replacing a to the power minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 5 into 6a square minus 25a plus 11i. Hence a to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 25 into 6a square minus 25a plus 11i. Hence a to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 25 into the matrix minus 1, 6 minus 1, minus 57, minus 8, 18, 25, 5. Let us now find a square a cube a to the power 4 for a given matrix using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The given matrix is A equals to 1, 4, 2, 3, which is a second order matrix. The characteristic equation of A is given by the determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Hence the determinant of 1 minus lambda, 4, 2, 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. That would result in lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. Hence by Cayley-Hamilton theorem we have a square minus 4a minus 5y is equal to 0. Hence a square would be equal to 4a plus 5y. A square is equal to 9, 16, 8 and 17. Now a cube is equal to 4a square plus 5a. Now a cube is equal to 4 times of a square, which is 4a plus 5y plus 5a. That would result in 21a plus 20. Now a cube is equal to the matrix 41, 84, 42 and 83. A to the power 4 is equal to 4a cube plus 5a square. Substituting the value of a cube is equal to 21a plus 20 and a square value is 4a plus 5y, we get a to the power 4 is equal to 104a plus 105. Hence a to the power 4 will be equal to the matrix 209, 416, 208 and 417. So let us consider one more example. Let us find the adjoint of A using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The given matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. We know that for any non-singular square matrix A, adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into A inverse. Hence, determinant of A will be given as the determinant of the given matrix 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, which is equal to minus 1. The characteristic equation of A is given by determinant of A minus lambda I, which is equal to determinant of 1 minus lambda 0 0 1 minus lambda 1 0 1 minus lambda. Hence, we would be getting minus lambda cube plus lambda square plus lambda minus 1 is equal to 0 on the simplification of the determinant. Hence, on replacing lambda by A by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we would get I is equal to minus A cube plus A square plus A. That is, A inverse is equal to minus A square plus A plus I. So now considering A square is equal to A cross A, we get the matrix 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. On substituting the values A square AI in the first equation, we get A inverse is equal to the matrix 1 0 0 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0. Now adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into A inverse, which results in the matrix minus 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0.